everyone. Today we are here at the Kia Seltos Media Ride and Drive. We are actually experiencing the new Kia Seltos with its new turbocharged engine and all the safety features that comes with it. We are now here at the Old Grove Farmstead, the beautiful place. It's a beautiful day, and we'd like to thank all our media friends for joining us today.
To our friends in the media, thank you again for embarking on this meaningful and exciting journey with all of us. Please continue to give us feedback on the models as you try them, and we look forward to building and nurturing this positive relationship together. Once again, thank you very much for being with us here today. Very much appreciated.